Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail again. Look at this Cadillac hood, okay? I want you guys to look real carefully at it. It's all hazy in the center, okay? When this is happening, your clear coat is eroding. Eventually it'll peel. So you don't want to, washing it looks good, dries up, it goes back to that. Waxing it looks good, a week later it's all hazy and ugly again. That happens because the paint needs to be clean, not waxed. If you look right here, up close, you see all that? Okay. This is the contaminants that are embedded in the clear. That needs to be cleaned. Look at that. Okay. So when you use Lukat Fix It, you're using a cleaner, not a wax. You can actually clean it really well. Do me a favor. We hold that. I'm going to keep it right in that area. Okay. So I'm going to clean this up now. I'm not using this to make it shiny. I'm using it because this needs to be clean. Because if you don't remove this embedded contaminants, one day it'll be peeling and eroding, okay? So when I use this, I don't use it like a wax because there's no wax in it. What I do instead is I put it on like this, okay? And I just clean. This is really, really simple to use. There's no wax in it. You just clean the same spot until it clears up. It cleans superficially, removes the contaminants, doesn't bite like a regular cutter, and you're able to clean it 100% back. Now the whole idea here is this paint's rough, you can hear that. But once we're through with this, it'll be smooth and glossy all over again. Not because we waxed it, but because we cleaned it. Do that. Now if you guys want to use a machine, use a direct drive, single drive, rotary drive polisher, because you're not waxing, so you don't have to worry about swirls and stuff like that. You're just cleaning. So I didn't take off any clear. Just cleaned it. Okay, look how beautiful that came out. Now check this out. I'll put my finger over it. Okay, there's no wax here. All I did was clean it. Now you can wax it. When you wax a paint job, you put a kind of lubrication, a kind of seal over it that'll protect it from the environment and stuff. But this stuff simply cleans it. So if we left this hood alone, say for another year or two, you'll see this will start to crumble and peel. This section won't, because I cleaned it. So Lukat Fix It, guys. Use this to clean your paint so that you can start waxing it all over again. Now there's another one that comes with it. It's called the Easy Wax. It's a sealing wax. That way you can lock in what you did and lock out the contaminants. So check us out on YouTube at Lukat Fix It. Please like and subscribe. This stuff is sick. It'll save you thousands of dollars not having to repaint the car. Later, guys.